Guys, there's literally one more free Nitro for everyone. Open your Discord on PC. Go to Discover tab and then click Quest. Now this Discord Nitro is offered from the collaboration with Discord and Civilization 7 game. I am guessing their new season is probably coming out. To claim your free Nitro, you have to watch the trailer video. As you watch the video, the progress circle thingy will fill up and turn green. Now you can click Claim Reward. After that, you will get your free Discord Nitro. You need to do this CAPTCHA verification. Here you will get all the free Discord Nitro features like animated emojis, stickers, custom profile, banners, and everything, but you can't boost the server. Also guys, Shape's owner has officially announced that Discord has disabled Shapes on their Twitter handle. I would say it's quite sad though, not gonna lie. But you guys can replace your Shapes bots with Mnemonic. I have made a full tutorial on it. Make sure you check out the video. And if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button for more Nitro related videos.